Welcome to Wintergreen Ski Resort. Usually resorts and spas are warm and you get massages, and so far my butt hurts. Here I'm not trying to die, and I'm pretty sure people say that when you go to IKEA, that's where relationships go to die. No, we almost strangled each other how many times?
A few.
Yeah, and we haven't made it down the first hill. No, usually I'm pretty terrible at things right off the bat, but this is a new level of bad at things without any skill needed to be bad at them. So anyways, let's get some of those crazy action shots you've all been dying to, I don't know what you come here for. I want these shots to look like, there's an artsy thing that needs to happen. Like, I want this to look like the GoPro footage that you see as they're trying to sell you on a GoPro. See, that's the kind of things we don't want to have happen in our footage. We're gonna have to edit all that out. See if you can make me look like a pro. I mean, lots of quick cuts. Lots of flashing, lots of fade in and out. Can you do that? Yeah, that's the face of somebody that can do some GoPro Action Hero 19 footage. All right, let's see how this footage comes out. All right, there I am. That's looking. Oh, there I am. That's looking. It's not the quick cuts I was looking for, but there's definitely some cuts happening.
I still love you.
Yeah, somebody needs to, because that's This is how the Olympics are started, I think. Just like this. Okay. Hang on. We can edit that out in post. It's fine. There we go. Well, I guess if that's what makes it into the video.
I want to take you to the other side of the mountain where Matthew can't go because he's kind of a weenie. That's fun.
If there's a good view around here, I don't know it, because this is all I've seen the entire time I've been skiing. I kind of cheated by following an instructor around, and it kept saying pizza slices, which was speaking my language, but this looks pretty close to, oh, getting a little fast. Let's take a look and see what's in front of us. Oh my God, okay, hang on. Going a little too fast for that. All right, look at that. Oh yeah, that's a good looking dead tree. And I'm assuming there's a mountain over here, but we gotta be careful. You don't wanna look up too fast. Okay, let's go back to the good old fashioned snow plowing.
So here we are.
Yeah, here we are.
Matthew's chairlift, because this is the only one he'll go on.
Yeah, the other ones are too scary because there's too many people and it kind of balances it off to the edge, and that weirds me out.
It's okay, I got him to go skiing.
Getting a little bumpy.
Little victories.
But I've seen the top of my skis repeatedly. They look good. they look real nice. So take this with a grain of salt from someone that's never been to a ski resort before. No, take that back. I drove through one once to get alcohol. So pretty much a professional ski resorter. The biggest issue I see for a first timer such as myself is this is the green hill, and this is also an easy hill. Yeah, these are the easy hills. There's no like flat space that I need like a parking lot with a little bit of snow on it is what I'm trying to say. Dang it, dropped a glove. There we go. Okay. So I asked them where the bunny hill was, and they were like, oh, it's in the center. And I was like, my man. And then they were like, oh, it's actually closed for the ski school. And I was like, all right, so like, are there other third graders there that I can learn from? And they said you had to pay for it. And I was like, you have to pay for the worst hill on your mountain? Which honestly explains why there's so many children crying on the hill I'm on, myself included. I've been crying a lot today. Now it's time for the best part of skiing, which is when you leave the mountains and you go somewhere else to go drinking. This is a Flying Fox. Well, it's a building, but there's a fox inside. Yeah, there's the fox. It's back behind where the wine comes from, obviously. Neither one of us are wine sommeliers, but I mean, I'm kind of a wine salmon. These are vermouths, and I don't know what this is, but it's like nectar in wine form, yeah. Ah, it burns the throat. That's how you know it's okay. Like a bitter toothpaste. I'll take fancy places that I can find new and creative ways to embarrass my wife for 300, Alex. Let's just hope that's the daily double. Now we're at Veritas Winery, and they've got these giant human hamster ball situations. Nothing goes better with a wine than a smell of a pool toy. Well, this is fancier than expected. Watch me pour this fancy wine like a goddamned animal. Perfect. This must be how rich people party, because nothing says party like a disco ball wrapped inside a chandelier. What do you think, little dude? The Flying Fox Fun Run cure for Michael Scott? Or Veritas? Veritas.
Flying Fox.
Yeah, there was dudes wearing bow ties in there, and like, it wasn't my culture.
Don't be confused, because bow ties are cool.
Quiet club music playing in the background from like a 1920s speakeasy.
And you might even be able to see the mountains in the background here.
Yeah, look.
Maybe.
Vinyl mounds. We're at what the hell is this? Yeah, we are at Hard Rock Cider
I can't hear
Company.
Bold
Rock.
Repeat after me.
Bold Rock Hard Cider. We're there. And if you think the front of the building looks good, you should see their backyard. Cause wow, that looks nicer than the front of the building. Just look at that beer.
All this stuff hiding back here.
Also, they have food
This is cider,
drinks.
not a beer.
Ooh, yeah, that was a good choice. The bartender told us to go upstairs to the viewing room. I was like, why would I go upstairs when the views are all outside and I can just go outside? Boy, was I shocked when I walked upstairs and found out that this is actually a brewery, or well, a cidery. Now we're gonna go to a place called Java Java. All I know about it is it's got Java Java in the name, which I'm assuming is coffee at this point, but I guess we'll find out on the inside. Oh, look at that. The arches make a little heart. I already love it. The guy in there was like, hey, I'm gonna throw away the other espresso shot if you want it. And I was like, hey, I'll take a garbage espresso any day of the week, sir. You wanna see more nonsense like this? Well, just subscribe and keep watching, I guess. That's probably the easiest way to get more nonsense like this in your life, I think. I don't know, it's one of the buttons down below. I don't really get it. It's something to do with likes on Facebook, I think.